As the U.S. government shutdown nears the one-month mark, federal workers and childhood education programs are feeling the strain of the prolonged funding gridlock. In Georgia, three major early childhood education providers have come together to secure an emergency loan to keep their Head Start programs open.
The reality is philanthropy should not be supplanting federal funds.
Lauren Kuntz is the president and CEO of the YMCA of Metro Atlanta.
At some point, we realized that our advocacy was not going to keep our doors open. So we went to the Community Foundation for Greater Atlanta, and they assembled donors who believe in the work that we do with early childhood education.
Without their intervention, officials said thousands of children from low-income families would lose access to education, nutritious meals, and basic health services, while more than 800 teachers and staff members could be furloughed. Frank Fernandez is the president and CEO of the Community Foundation for Greater Atlanta.
So what we're doing is providing a little over $8 million as a bridge loan for 45 days to support these three organizations to help ensure that their Head Start programs that serve over 5,500 families and employ 800 people are not shut down.
Meanwhile, in Washington, where the stalemate in Congress showed no signs of ending, federal employees are struggling to make ends meet, with some seeking help at D.C. food banks. Amy Uklu is a former USAID worker who was fired in February.
I'm showing up to food banks when I can. We're applying to jobs constantly. Our unemployment just ran out, so now we have no income coming in. It's a challenge. We're just trying to cancel anything and make sure we're on a forbearance for our mortgage, so we're doing whatever we can to make ends meet.
Across the country at the Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, air traffic controllers handed out leaflets asking for public support. Mark Roush of the National Air Traffic Controllers Association said many of his colleagues were considering taking up temporary second jobs.
It's affecting us because we have to figure out what we're going to do with what little money we may have left in savings, or how are we going to figure out, are we going to get more money coming in? We're going to start driving Uber, we're going to start doing maybe DoorDash, figure some other kind of way to generate income while still going to our jobs in air traffic control facilities and doing the work in aviation safety professions across the country without getting paid.
The shutdown is the second longest in U.S. history, behind a partial lapse in funding that lasted 35 days beginning in late 2018, during President Donald Trump's first term.